Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video, which is a tutorial of this rhinestone glitter lip. Now, I don't know if this is a major slay or a major fail, so let me know, but I hope you enjoy. So the gemstones slash rhinestones that I'm using today are these clear ones from Amazon, and the first step that you want to do is apply a coat of lash glue to your lip. I started with my lower lip and I'm just using the clear Isla lash glue. You definitely want this to be clear, not like a black or anything, so that it doesn't show through, and you just want to give an even coat of this to your lip. And then I'm starting with my centre of my lip and applying the gems to the centre with some tweezers. You want to start with the centre and work your way outwards on either side, mirroring the gems on each side so that you have a symmetrical rhinestone lip. And then again, the same with the top lip. You want to create a nice even layer of lash glue before going in with your gemstones. Honestly, this is so easy. I really thought it would be a lot harder than it is, but honestly, give this a go. If you're going to a festival or for Halloween, Christmas, I feel like this is definitely something for that. It's not like going to the shops. I mean, it could be, you do you, bestie. But yeah, for me, I'd probably wear this to a festival. But again, just making sure that you're starting from the centre and working your way outwards. And I started with kind of like the bigger rhinestones in the centre of my lip and gradually got smaller and smaller as I got to the outer corners of my lips. I then just gently pressed the stones down just to make sure that they were really secure, and that is it. This is the finished look. Please let me know what you think, because I really am kind of torn of whether this is really cool or just absolutely not. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Let me know your thoughts, and hopefully I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.